Hi, my name is Steve Burns, and I'm the Director of Product Strategy and Innovations at BQE Software. I'm also an architect with more than 20 years' experience designing and managing projects from Boston to Beijing. Our ArchiOffice team is proud to be a part of BQE. With over 200,000 people using our software on a daily basis, BQE is truly the leading provider of project management, time tracking, and billing solutions for professional service firms. During the past 13 years, as we've been continually refining ArchiOffice, I have personally conducted on-site consultations in over 200 architectural firms. And if there's one thing I've learned, it's this. If you're like most architects, your firm's operations aren't nearly as efficient or elegant as your buildings. That's why we've spent more than a decade listening to our customers and building a smart, powerful, yet simple solution that is truly designed by architects for architects. ArchiOffice makes everyone's job easier, your time more productive, and frees you up from mundane, repetitive tasks so you have more time to spend doing what you love most, designing great architecture or growing your business. One reason ArchiOffice is so successful is we truly understand the needs and temperament of our users. It's very important that we present information in a friendly, easy-to-read manner, and that you understand not only what this information means, but what you should do with it. Ultimately, what use is the information if it's too difficult to decipher, doesn't help you make decisions, and won't improve the project, your performance, or the firm's profitability? We recognize that your firm uses many applications to do your day-to-day work and run your company. Most of these are standalone packages that don't integrate with each other. One of the great features of ArchiOffice is that it brings the information of these programs together inside a single solution. As a simple example of integrated information, is it really necessary to call the accounting department or open up a separate accounting software program to find out if the client you're talking with on the phone owes you money? Doesn't it make sense for you to have access to that information instantly, and if it's appropriate, shouldn't you be able to discuss the specifics of any outstanding invoice with your client? Or if you're working on project budgeting, shouldn't you be able to see right into people's time cards to see how the project is performing? As architects, we are responsible for coordinating the efforts of teams of people both within our office and outside. This means we need to manage hundreds or thousands of documents for each project. Emails, meeting minutes, contracts, bulletins, change orders, digital images, CAD drawings, submittals, transmittals, you name it. If it's digital, ArchiOffice can control it, making it easy to generate, find, and retrieve instantly. We create organization where it's most needed. What good is data if you can't get to it? ArchiOffice 2010 allows you to access your valuable information from any location and from any computer. There is no need to install software on your workstations or laptops. When called upon, the ArchiOffice 2010 server deploys a thin client application, which also automatically updates users. And all data between a workstation and the ArchiOffice server is encrypted using 128-bit SSL encryption. While dashboards have become commonplace, ArchiOffice allows users to design the type of information they want to see and how they want it presented. Employees can also create an unlimited number of dashboards and quickly move between them depending on their needs. ArchiOffice 2010 not only manages all of your firm's contacts, but everything associated with them. From within a contact record, you can see every document across all their projects, from emails to contracts to meeting minutes, submittals, RFIs, even phone call notes. If they're a client, you can instantly see if they have any outstanding invoices and their account balance. Since ArchiOffice includes a calendar, you can even see every appointment, milestone, or to-do that your contact has been associated with. Our contacts database syncs with Outlook, Entourage, and Apple Address Book. Capturing time and expenses is essential for proper project management as well as invoicing. Many employees like to keep their time card in view on their dashboard, helping to ensure that they complete them on a timely basis. The ArchiOffice time card is interactive, allowing the employee to select only the projects which they are authorized to work on and only the project phases which are active or billable. They can even select from a list of tasks assigned to them. Everyone can instantly see how a project phase is performing against its budget. If an employee is aware of performance, they can help ensure that a project stays within budget. Utilization and realization rates are also displayed on the time card, helping remind them of their efficiency. If your firm requires time card approval, you decide which managers are responsible for reviewing time and expense records, and ArchiOffice makes the review and approval process painless. Not only does ArchiOffice have a powerful project management module, but it's also extraordinarily malleable. ArchiOffice adapts to the way your firm works, not the other way around. Projects can be created from an infinite number of templates which already know the project team, their billing rates, the project phases, and job codes. Template projects decide how documents will be managed, the checklists and tasks that will be used, and even the budget and billing methods. Once created, everything on the project can be modified to suit your needs. Privileged employees can instantly see critical financial information about the project. ArchiOffice clearly presents the performance and even tells you exactly how profitable the project is. No need to generate complex reports or wait for an accounting department to issue them. By the time you get that information, it's obsolete. Everything is instant and accurate in ArchiOffice 2010. The power of information is brought directly to the people who need it when they need it. Just like the Contacts module, the Project module is the central repository for everything project-related. Every contact that is involved with the project, from employee to consultant, is accessible from within the Project module. Every document, from contracts to CAD drawings to digital images, RFIs, and submittals, are easily displayed and accessed from the project portal. All time and expense records related to the project are aggregated and easy for managers to review and analyze. All financial data is secure and accessible within the Project module. ArchiOffice has simplified the invoicing process. We know exactly how architects invoice and understand your need for flexibility in your invoicing methods. Whether you're billing hourly, stipulated sum, percentage of the cost of construction, unit cost, a multiple of direct personnel or salary expense, or any combination of these methods, ArchiOffice can accommodate you. If you and your client agree to change the billing method halfway through a project, don't worry, we understand and can deal with that. We even understand if you need to delete a finalized invoice. Go ahead, delete it, and all the time and expense records will be released for a new invoice. In just a few seconds, you can create a draft or final invoice for all your projects. You can even click any invoice and instantly see detail for all the time and expense records associated with it. Finally, ArchiOffice 2010 has a powerful reporting engine. We've carefully designed our standard reports to present you not only with the kind of information that will help you understand your business and projects better, but also in a manner that is meaningful to people trained as architects. We've all learned that most of our clients don't really understand the meaning and significance of all those lines we've drawn in a set of working drawings. And most clients can't visualize the spatial significance of two-dimensional drawings. ArchiOffice understands that a similar problem exists for most architects. When presented with financial reports, most architects don't fully understand the meaning of these numbers, don't know what to do with them, and by the time you figure out the project has gone so far off course, it's too late to make any meaningful changes. That's why our standard reports speak to architects in a way that they understand while providing managers with guidance to help keep your firm efficient and profitable. When asked to summarize what ArchiOffice is all about, I refer to our tagline, Power Your Office, Empower Yourself. ArchiOffice is all about sharing valuable information, which helps make your employees smarter and your firm more profitable. If these two conditions are met, there is a much higher likelihood that you and your employees will also be happier. I hope you've seen how powerful a tool ArchiOffice 2010 can be for so many aspects of your firm, from contact and document management right through to project management and invoicing. There's so much more to tell you about ArchiOffice 2010. If you're looking for more in-depth information, please check out our other videos or contact our sales department to schedule a private demo for your firm.